In this video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Smart TV. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to your Smart TV, access the settings on your TV, and navigate to the Apps or Application Manager section. Select for the app that you want to clear the cache and just click on the option called Clear Cache. It has different settings per different brands. Like for Samsung TV, it uses settings, support, and device care. Click on Manage Storage, click the app, and then click on Clear Cache. For LG TV, press the Home button, click on Settings, General Storage, and click on Clear Cache. For Android and Google TVs, you can go over to your settings and apps, click on See All Apps, and then choose the app that you want to clear the cache for and select Clear Cache. For Roku TV, it doesn't have a built-in cache clearing option, but you can achieve similar results by restarting a TV or removing and installing the problematic applications. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need.